Zidane, can you say that again? Can you say Toyota? Can you say birthday? Birthday? Happy birthday? Very good. Okay, can you say something else now? Zidane, can you say something? Can you?
I love you.
Say, well, hello. Okay, now can you say birthday?
Birthday.
Wow! Very good. Can you say? Okay. Can you say party? Can you say pasta? Zidane. Zidane, can you say pasta? Whoa.
Pasta.
Can you say pasta? Can you say hot dog?
Bathroom.
Zarif.
Kaka.
Ringer off.
Okay. Okay, let's give this to your dad. Oh.